Felicia!
Tim!
What are we doing?
Today we're going to play the Rhinestones.
Oh, we did promise we're going to do some more brother videos.
We
brother
did.
Scan and Cut.
Yep.
So what is this? Is this instructions?
This is instructions. This is actually a kit from Brother. It's a rhinestone starter kit. And it comes with 4 little tiny packages of rhinestones.
It's actually more in there than it looks, isn't it?
Everything in there you need to do this project. Including a card to get you some free patterns within the Create space.
You don't have to buy those?
No, it comes in the kit.
Okay,
So
cool.
they provide you with the black felt, which is what you're going to cut the design on. They give you transfer tape. They give you a whiteboard so you can stick the black stuff to it so you can put your rhinestones in, and a couple extra pieces
Oh my
of
God,
material.
extras?
Yes.
Wow. Okay, so how does this work?
All right, so we're going to open up CanvasWorkspace. And
You said they give you a whole bunch of patterns already?
they do. So they open up and show you the original screen for opening different designs, but you can get to that by the top icon on the left, and from there you can search and do look for rhinestones.
Shut up!
So just search on rhinestone,
Oh
and
my
then it will
God.
load some patterns that came as part of that activation card. But if you don't want to use any of those, on the left-hand side, the second from the left menu, down 4 or 5 icons, you will find a circle with circles in it. And when you click that, you get all of these free little patterns.
Wait, I saw letters.
Letters.
You know I'm going to have you do so. Okay, let me use the butterfly.
Butterflies, flowers, hearts.
Can you resize these?
No, because the little circles will get out of proportion for the little rhinestones that we're going to use. And we're going to use the SS10 rhinestones that came with the kit.
Okay.
So once we've got the image selected or we've designed what we want, we're going to transfer it over to the machine, and we're going to retrieve it from the Canvas Workspace via Wi-Fi. We can see that our image is there, right? And we're just going to make sure we've got a couple of things configured. We've got our piece cut the way we want it. And in my case, my mat is not very sticky anymore, so I've used some...
We had a few oopsies. Yeah.
Oopsies. So we used some blue painter's tape to
that's a
actually
good
stick
idea.
the material down to the mat. And then once we've got it ready, load it into the machine, pressing the load button.
So what's this going to do?
This is going to load the mat into the machine, and once we get moving, it's going to actually start cutting all those little tiny circles.
Oh, did you have to set any weird settings for this thing? Is it half cut or full cut? Or
Right, so we got to go into the cut section, and you want to make sure that you have your settings set with half cut, the cut speed at 2, and then the half cut pressure at 7. This is what I found worked for me. Now, it didn't necessarily do that half cut right. It actually went through all of the material, but that's okay because you're going to have to weed it just like you would weed any other design that you're going to make on a cutting machine.
I see. So this just kind of pops a whole bunch of holes in there.
It pretty much is just cutting little tiny circles to make your design.
That seems simple.
Yeah.
Do you imagine trying to do this manually?
No.
Yeah, how people did
A
rhinestones
little
in the old
a little hole punch?
Oh, no, that's not. Now, how would you keep it straight?
I don't know.
So these patterns are going to be perfect, just like the butterfly you saw on the screen.
Right.
Oh my God, I'm so excited. I can't
know.
wait to see this. It's cutting little holes, blah, 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 blah. Is this bad for the blade, or it doesn't care?
No.
What are you doing? What?
So now I'm taking off, I'm lifting up the material from the mat,
Right.
removing the tape, and this is where you got to go in and you got to weed all the little circles out.
Oh.
They are cut on the back. You can't see it. It's hard to see here, but they are cut. And so when we start punching,
look.
magic.
It's like light bright, only different.
It is actually, I found it personally very relaxing to do.
I can imagine. They just pop right out? They fall out?
They pop right out.
No way. Look at that. I would just do this just for fun. This is so zen.
Right?
And there's your pattern.
Once you got everything, all the little holes popped out, you're going to peel off the black stuff from the backing.
All right. And now you put the rhinestones in one by one?
No, don't get crazy. So peel the backing off, stick it on that white board that came within the kit.
Okay.
All of these materials can be reused, by the way. Don't just throw that, don't think it's a one and done and throw that away. You can reuse this.
Good tip.
Yeah. So stick your design
That's beautiful.
onto the mat, and then take the color rhinestones of your choice and kind of dump them on there. Like so.
Wait a minute.
Yeah.
This is going to be a pain. You're going to have to...
No.
They're upside down.
Grab your little soft brush and just start moving those rhinestones
Oh,
around
come on.
and
This
put them
can't
in
be...
place.
Wait a minute. They're all falling into place.
Magic.
Like how are you doing this? What kind of magic is this?
Secret.
Are you a witch?
Secret.
Oh my god, they're like, most of them are falling exactly right. How do they do that? Right side up.
It's pretty cool, right?
It is magical.
This
okay?
is, yep. This is the first time we've actually done this. This is really actually very cool and very relaxing.
I'm not gonna lie, it looks like a little zen, like you have one of those sand brushes and you're just, going around making little brush patterns.
Yep.
Like you could do this all day, couldn't you?
I could, personally.
Look at that. I mean, with a few exceptions.
Yep, it fell right into place.
That is amazing that it somehow knows how to do that. That is some kind of weird juju right there. Okay, that's alien. That's paranormal.
And because I used the box lid, I can, when I'm done, I can kind of tip those rhinestones into the corner of the box and kind of carefully pour those back into the bag.
The ones you didn't use.
Right,
great.
right.
So what's this thing doing?
It gives you some little, I don't know what you call
it. It's a sucker?
I guess you could call it a sucker.
Hey, sucker.
It's got a rubber tip on the end, and you can kind of move the rhinestones around a little bit.
That's a little suction or something.
And it does they do kind of stick a little bit to it.
Huh. Who would have thought? Now you got a couple out of place there. Is it easy to remove it? I just kind of flick them away?
Yep.
No way.
All right, so then you're going to take a piece of the transfer tape that's included in the kit. Don't throw this away. You can reuse this as well. Okay. And you're simply going to place that on top of your image. Now, be very careful when you do this. This is not like using vinyl or iron-on material. When that transfer tape hits those rhinestones, just keep putting it down, because if you lift up, it's going to lift up the rhinestones that did catch. Just kind of like what I did there.
Oh, okay. So you can't fix them, though.
Yeah, you can fix them. I used a pair of tweezers, and I moved the rhinestones to where I needed them to be.
Oh, I see. I see what you're doing here. Flipped upside down, little monkey.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Okay.
Uh-oh, wait. Is this sacrilegious? Are you actually using a Cricut heat press with a brother machine? Is this allowed? Is this even legal?
Well, it's the machines I have. It's the devices I use every day, so I've got a wide variety.
I'm sure somebody's going to send you a letter. Maybe. What's this thing?
So this is a measurement for where to place your T-shirt, your design on your T-shirts.
Oh, that's ingenious.
Yeah, you line it up with the center of your T-shirt, in this case the V, and it puts it right in the right position to be centered.
Okay, I'm not going to lie. There's a couple rhinestones out of place here. Did you fix that?
I hope I did. Well, I don't know. If I didn't, we'll see if we can pop them off in the end.
Okay, good.
All right. So we're just going to put the...
oh, I can't watch this. Cricut, brother. It's like the universe is colliding.
So at 300 degrees for about 30 seconds, we're going to see what happens when we finish with a piece of parchment paper over the rhinestones and the transfer tape.
So if you didn't have this, you could just use an iron?
You could, if you can get it hot enough, I think.
Oh, 300 degrees, yeah. Oh, yeah, you got a couple out of place there. I'm not going to complain.
Magic.
Magic.
That is the coolest thing to me.
That is that's so pretty.
Right? And we did have a couple out of place.
And what'd you do?
And we just kind of picked at it and popped right off, to be honest.
No.
It was a little sticky. It was a little sticky.
So they are removable.
Well, yeah, I guess so.
But you had to work at it.
I did have to pick at it, yeah. I kind of had to, yeah. You see, I gave it a little bit of time.
Was that relaxing too, picking at them?
No, not so much.
Okay, well, I'd like little hearts on the bottom or strawberries. There's a lot going on here, Felicia. I just, gorgeous! Look at that. That is beautiful. And you could use the different colors?
You could make it, use various colors to make that same design. You just gotta be willing to swish around the colors in small little pieces and pick out what you don't want.
What are you doing here? Oh my, are you using the Cricut heat press as an iron?
Why not?
You can, well, essentially, I guess it is an iron, isn't it?
It's just a big square iron. It gets really, really hot.
Listen, I have some pants I need pressing. Oh, Felicia, look at you. That's so cute. Look how it sparkles. Oh, what is this?
Tim's special project.
Oh no! I see how you use different colors on this one. Same effect, right?
Same effect. And this was easy to use the different colors because it was in rows, so to speak. So
now, is this a pattern or is this something you made with letters?
I used the Brother software to actually pick and choose the letters, the individual letters, and place them on there where I wanted them and spell out what I wanted it to spell out.
Did you have any problem arranging the letters? Was that easy to do?
Yeah, it was very easy to do.
Like a word processor?
Yep. Well, no.
A little different.
No, each one is a little image.
Look at this thing, is amazing. How did you get me one of these? Oh, this is so cute. Does this have something to do with my addiction to tequila?
Just a little bit.
Felicia.
Mm-hmm.
That's cute. cute. So you use 2 pieces of the transfer tape. You cut that there. Oh, that's
Yeah.
smart. Same thing, 300 degrees?
300 degrees each area, and I found that you needed to go really about a minute total. So I did have to repress each section.
Whoa.
Because they did peel up, but they stayed in place.
So what do you do here?
Right, I just reheated it again for another 30 seconds and all of them.
That's it, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you don't want to rip the whole thing off because you won't be able to position it right.
Right,
It's brilliant.
right.
Very smart.
So that's why you want to peel off your stuff very slowly.
Oh, I see. This is adorable. I love this shirt.
It is very cute. I love.
Oh my God.
I love the mixing of the colors.
The colors.
They're gorgeous.
Brilliant. You came up with this?
No, you did.
You're smarter than you look. That's beautiful, Felicia. Can I wear that? Look at me. I am dancing. I don't know Spanish, but I know tequila, oh. Oh, it's party time. Good job, Felicia. High five.
Woohoo!
Thank you, Felicia, for doing this.
Oh, you're welcome anytime.
Fabulous!
Cheers.